Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Metal Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Suzuki Swift hatch, stock reference number 4317. The shape runs from the 9th month 2004 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has an M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the left hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right hand headlight, left power door mirror, left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right guard also appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. The vehicle's only done 80,000 Ks, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.